What's up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. It's K510 Automotive Group, and today we about to put some work in, man. I'm at the junkyard, LKQ, and I'm about to find a new front clip for the E36. I was going to send it to a body shop, but then I met this guy, actually a friend of the family. He told me he can handle the job, so I'm just trying to get all the parts he need so he can get it all together. So see how it turns out. But yeah, man, go pick these parts, go get my tools, bring them inside, you know, all the shebang, man, all the work that goes into all of that. And hopefully we can get lucky and find what I'm looking for. I mean, they have like 2 4-doors. Mine's a coupe, but the front end is the same, so I should be okay. Yeah, I just need the chassis rail. Then I need the subframe, the front end, like the front support, all of that. So all right, man, we about to see what we can find, what we can do. You know what I mean? That's the mission, at least today. And then probably by the weekend we should, you know what I mean, I'll probably get some footage of him restoring the front of the car. Or whenever I pick up this video again, you know, I just record clips and then put them all together and, you know, get a video from that, you know what I mean? But make sure y'all like and support the channel, man. Subscribe. I mean, we going up, but man, we need to go up quick, man. We've been stuck at 600 something subscribers. I'm trying to get to at least 1,000, you know what I mean? So I can get monetized. And yeah, follow my Facebook page too at K510 Automotive Group. We still growing, man. I mean, I ain't being greedy or nothing. I mean, I'm satisfied with the people that support me. But just like and share these videos, and I'm just trying to go bigger, you know? Go big or go home, you know what I mean? And just like that, guys, we got the new front clip for the E36. The 2 frame, both sides. Hopefully this is enough to get it fixed. Got this whole section out right here. See what happened. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It's your boy K510. And shout out to all my Batman Car Club members, you know what I mean? Shout out to all y'all. Today, man, gonna be kind of a, I don't know, amazing day for me, man, because today we dropping the E36 off at the body shop. And I don't know, I'm just so excited, man. I miss my car, you know, and I feel like it's time to get it back on the road. Even though it's just been a few months since the accident. Yeah, man, it's time for me to get back before the summer ends, man. I've been driving my daily all year long, man. Like, I feel like I've been in my truck all year long. My 5 Series finally went down. I have a coolant leak from the valley pan, which is underneath the intake manifold. So I gotta repair that, but it's kind of like a big job to do. You have to remove. Basically, I have to disassemble the top part of the engine and reseal it and reassemble it back. So I kind of need some time to do it, and somewhere that I can, you know, organize all the parts when I take them off. So that's what I'm waiting on. Yeah, man, just stay tuned for this vlog, man. I'm on my way to go pick up my car. I got called a tow truck, and yeah. All right, guys, just got to the E36, and yeah, waiting on the tow truck to come. Just want to show you guys how it look right now. Hopefully I can get everything done that I want to get done. So check it out. So all we need left is to get this fender fixed and get the tube frame. I mean the chassis basically cut out and replaced. This side is okay, but the right side is done. And if you didn't see my previous video, I basically drove it, so it's drivable. Just doesn't have a radiator, so that's what we need the whole front support redone. So yeah, just waiting on a tow truck to get here, so we get towed to the body shop and get everything done.
That was both of them?
Yeah. I mean, this one is connected. It's just this side.
That sounds good.
Yeah, this side. But I think it'll be straight, but I just want to make sure.
Hey, me too.
Yeah, I don't want to. Yeah. See, it's like the hinge ain't on this side.
Yeah.
This side.
Yeah. So you try to take it through?
Huh?
You want to take it through the hood? Put the control on? I think it's straight like I don't know.
Alright, what?
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, definitely know what this is going on.
Yeah, yup. I'm with you too.
Well, it's better to be safe.
Alright, man, about to take it to the body shop. Hopefully get it fixed up. I'll see you at the body shop. Tow truck coming up.
My time with this gun, I ain't want this gun to come up.
Nah, I seen you.
I'm like, y'all need that go around me.
I know.
I wouldn't have rolled with you behind this one.
Should be able to drive now. Yeah. Check out. And so I guess it's here at the shop. Oh man, hey. Thanks, man. Tow truck guy was cool as hell too, man. Alright, that's it, man. Just dropped it off. They're gonna give me an estimate on what it's gonna take to get it fixed. And then shit. I mean, whatever it costs, I gotta get it done. I miss my car, man. I need that thing running. You know? But just like that, man, this video is over, man. And make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. And follow me on Instagram. Get more pictures and updates and stuff like that, man. I just want to thank you guys for even just rocking with me. Sorry, rocking with me on this, man. It's been a long journey on my YouTube, like 3 years, and this was the car that my first build, so that's why it kind of like I was thinking about junking it, but then I was just like, man, it meant a lot, you know what I mean, to keep going, you know. So I'm gonna keep going and keep doing it. You know what I mean? Shit like this gonna happen. It just thugging it through, you know. I call it thugging it through because, you know, that's the lifestyle, you know, I grew up in. And yeah, man, just keep going. Like I was saying, man, sometimes, man, life throw you curveballs, man, and it's just to test your faith, you know what I mean? I mean, a lot of shit happen and we can't explain why, but sometimes I feel like it's just to make sure you're on your toes, you know what I mean? Keep you on game. So I guess in every negative situation there's a positive. So, you know, I'm a strong believer in that because, man, I've been through a lot of shit, but you know what I mean? Internet ain't for all that, you know what I mean? So, long story short, man, just keep fighting, man. You know, right when you think it's the worst, you can't. Right when you think it can't get any worse, there's light at the end of the tunnel, man. So just keep pushing, man. Keep grinding. You know what I mean? I ain't rich. You know what I mean? But I know how to take care of myself. You know, I'm a mechanic. You know, that was my trade I went with. life. And you know, I'm able to take care of my family and take care of my wife, my parents, you know, my brothers. I'm able to help them out and be there for them, my nephews and nieces. You know, because family is first. Family is everything. You know, and we all here temporarily. It ain't like we gonna live forever. So the things you do is what you'll be remembered for. You know what I mean? Just a grimy ass nigga, and you always cutthroat. Niggas gonna know you for that. You know what I mean? If you a positive person and always helping out, you know what I mean? Always showing positive energy, you gonna get it right back. So just keep that in mind. And I don't want to tie you up too long, man. You know what I mean? It's K510. You can make 5, you can make 10. Keep going up. Peace.